Haha. I saw a wall, so I was like,
Oh, man. Look at that.
Coleman's sneak mobile.
30 seconds. So I have no reflex at all.
Oh, wow.
It really holds the pressure in. Wow.
He was sitting on the hood over there. What y'all doing?
Alright, about to come in.
The Swagger Wagon. Them trucks are filled with 6x9s.
I saw that, man.
They're packing heat. Oh. Has it killed anyone yet?
What?
Has it killed anyone yet?
No. That's what I'm shooting for, though.
That's its porn name.
Yeah, it is.
It's a porn name.
Harvey Coxwell, that's me. That's what I do.
Oh shit.
That's what I do on the weekdays.
Gotta do something. Is it just me or that's covered? That's his port?
I think it's blown. He just covered it up.
Eclipse. We had one of those. We ran out of regular spray paint, so we had to use this. Got the 4
Some sundown subs.
Where?
You see that picture of that sundown sub?
I know.
Oh man.
Tailgate down.
Sundown sub picture on the internet, man.
Oh shit, what the meter says.
Exactly, dude.
Fuck the meter.
Kurt,
Yes.
you see this shit?
Yes, I showed you.
He's my competition.
I know.
But when you actually see it, you're like,
Yeah,
Oh.
I know. It's like what?
This is first place this year, everybody. I'll turn the camera and show you second in a minute. God damn, dude. I thought I was a base
How many
head.
miles you got in this bitch?
People love this shit more than I do.
This is like your playground.
I'm all like, we got everybody hanging out. It's a beautiful Saturday.
Got one other fool in here ready to take it with me.
Mr. Pep 469 is always ready.
Two warriors.
Off to battle.
I see you still got your door handle. Does it work?
What door handle? Where we're going, we don't need door handles.
He's same, dude. He's tuned same as me. Speaking of
Seems
42,
like such a bad idea.
was doing 62s.
Told you. I told you, but no, man. I was off by four.
What's with the tape?
There's a crazy looking magnet.
He's crazy, man. He's crazy. It's like a bass head type.
Yeah, the magnets are crazy. Look like X Games.
Oh, we got a hair trick in the making. It might pull your hair out.
Yeah, that's bad, man.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, it really is.
Why'd you grab my phone with two
Man,
hands?
it's like bright green color too.
If I die, tag me. I was keeping an eye on that bitch right there.
Hey, two of them.
It's about to fall out of the screws.
He said it doesn't matter.
Hey, that one's almost coming out already.
So that one too. That one too.
Look at, but that one pulled the screws all out.
Yeah, you can see that.
It pulled the screws all the way out.
If that one and that one came out.
It was coming up about a 1/4 inch.
Yeah, look at that one's even more.
At the near brink of death. That was awesome. That should have
I
killed
was
you.
waiting for something.
If that thing will come out, the magnet will flip around.
Yeah.
Because it'll hit that one and knock my ass out. More than that shit.
I told you it's the war.
Wait, do it again.
Do it again.
Do it again. Otra, otra.
Más.
Uno más.
Uno más.
Do a 5-seconder. A quickie.
Now I know why you're.
Somebody get on top.
Man, I want to sit in this thing. That was just my head getting hit.
Oh man, it crushes your head. It's like
Dude,
I crush your
I
head.
know, it was ripping my fucking hair out.
Hey, I crush your head.
You burn.
Woohoo! I missed it. Did he burn up?
You can tame all the rattle in this thing.
Woo! That would be a miracle.
That would be a
So let me see. We have the beginning of the teardown,
Holy shit. Oh, he's tearing it down?
and let me see. We have a sneak peek back here.
What? Hold up. We need to do.
You see back there?
We need another one of those. Can we get
Look
that
at
door
sneak
open?
in. He's got a lot of wires loose. I didn't want to pull the whole thing.
Let me get in there. Hi guys. How do you know that?
Oh wait, I got it right here.
Oh, there's one right here.
Ah!
There's another one. Check that.
I see you, huh? Aha! No, I finally got to see it with the rep.
Fucking 4 DDZs with 4 N4As.
I got it recorded in slow motion
Oh, you did?
when he went to Speedway.
Oh, wow.
He did like a 1/635. Órale.
I mean, it's not number-wise. Besides everything's stock alternate, stock battery, DD M3A, and I'm doing a 144.6. So I mean, it's good. I'm pretty happy with it.
That
Nice.
thing right there is mean.
I was talking to Javier about maybe driving the truck down to SBN. Drive the
All
van
I
up there.
know is my heart. What I used to cross my.
Yeah, another train horn.
There's a bar there. A lot of them don't have shit. They're just straight up frame smashing. That's how I do it.